Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming. In this video, we will show how to plot histograms using ggplot2 package in R. So we know ggplot2 package is widely used for plotting in R, and histograms display the distribution of a continuous variable. So in a histogram, x-axis is the range of scores into a specified number of bins, and the y-axis is, for example, is the frequency of scores in each bin. So in ggplot2, we just load library ggplot2, so you can plot histogram. And also, usually we will install and load a library called scales. So this will be used for the symbol for the y-axis usually. So for example, this code will plot a simple histograms. So for example, ggplot function, grade is a data frame. Then we set AES inside, X is a physics. Physics is a variable of this data frame. Then plus is a chain, because ggplot2 use chain plus symbol to chain together several functions. So next function is GOM histogram, so which means we will plot a histogram of this variable. Then the last chain function is labs with a title. So next example is use a colored histogram with 5 bins. So similar as before, here we just add bins. In the histogram function, we add bins equals 5. So which means x-axis has 5 bins. And we set color and fill. And the third example is also similar as before, but here we set density, so y equals double dot density, which means we will plot percentage, not the counts for the y-axis. And here we set a function called scale y continuous. Inside we set a library scales double dot percent, which means a percent symbol from this package. So next we will show how to implement these functions in RStudio. So first we load ggplot2 and scales. So just note, you have to manually install this package if you have not done yet. So we load, then we set the working directory and read a CSV file from the working directory to create a data frame. Of course, you can use other data frames if you have such CSV file. So we can see this data frame include columns, student ID, full name, race, gender, country, age, mathematics, score, physics, and the chemistry and the date. So the total 20 observations. So next we can plot a simple histogram using ggplot, because this is the default color for simple histogram in ggplot2. So the y value is the counts, integer counts, and x value for the scores for the physics. So next we can plot a colored histogram with 5 bins. So here bin equals 5 and with color. So it's much more beautiful with 5 bins. So ggplot will automatically, with the equal width of each bin you defined, and the y value is also the counts. And in the third example, we'll plot for the y value is a percentage, also with a symbol called percent symbol. So you can see now the y-axis has been added with the percent, so which means the y value is the percent, and the total for all percents, the sum is 1%, 100%, right? Thanks for watching and subscribing our channel.